All right, gang. Today we are replacing the air filter cabin on my 1500 Ram. All right. So after doing a lot of research on air cabin filters, it's evident that a lot of people miss in doing them. I do as well. It's all relevant where you live and how much dust you have around you. But two key things. One is having pure air in your cabin, right? Breathing good air. And two, the airflow, which is critical. The airflow that you're getting inside the cabin, whether it's heat or air conditioning. So if you have an air filter that is poor, an air filter a cabin filter that is dirty, you're gonna minimize the airflow in your cabin. Why did I choose K&N? Two reasons. It's good for the environment, reusable. Every 40,000 miles or so, depending where you live, you just take it and clean it and then just put it back in. Second reason, which is the most important one, this specific filter gives about 25% more air flow in your air cabin. And we have a scientific way to measure that. I'm going to show you the difference between the OEM filter and the K&N filter. All right, let's get to it. Let's open the glove compartment. Let's take this little piece here. How the hell you take this sucker out? Let's see. You push it down. Oh, we lost it. No, just kidding. It just retracted. The air filter's in there, so we need to take the glove compartment out. And first, you take this little string to unplug it, let it go. And now we had to do this. And this is not, oh, I took this one out. There you go. Now let's take this one. Maybe it's not. All right, so that I didn't have to take this out. Most people take it completely out, but I didn't have to take it out. Just take, well, it did come out. Here it is, folks. And here's where the air filter is. No tools required, just your hands. All right, so let me just pull one side, pull the other side. Just take a look over here, airflow down, and let's take this out. Oh. Oh, this is pretty filthy, Joe. Look at this.
That's terrible.
Wow.
Good thing you're changing it.
Yeah, this was never changed. Not good. Not good at all. All right, so let's test it without the air filter. Let's see the pressure without it. We already know the pressure with the OEM, and then we test it with the K&N. Wow, that's pretty bad, man. All right, folks. OEM filter, which is not OEM, is made in China, so I guess this was replaced at some point in the truck. And the K&N is pretty filthy, definitely needs to be replaced, and that should have an improvement on airflow. All right, so let's get to it. So the way I'm going to install it, you'll see the K&N lettering. Just slide one of the corners first. And what helps is that this filter has a little bit of oil or lubricant in the sides. Very slowly push it in so you don't bend it, and it should go into place. There you go. I hope this is in. Airflow down. Put the cover on. And the cabin air filter is on, folks. This is the little string that I'm gonna need to pull back to attach the glove compartment. So let me bring the glove compartment and put it on. And then do our scientific test, right? Just place it in that little groove. Place this one too as well. And there's a bug. What the hell? And the bug is gone. Let me just bolt this. All right, that's on. There we go. All on. So let's do the scientific test now and see the difference between the K&N and the OEM. All right, let's get to it. It looks like it has more. What about now?
So we can review both of this one's without the filter in.
Yeah, this looks like it has more pressure though. All right, so we came up with this scientific test, hanging a ball from the moonroof, and I can tell you, and I'm being serious about it. There's a difference between the fake cabin filter that wasn't there versus the K&N. There's definitely a difference. Obviously, we're gonna have cleaner air, but our scientific test somehow shows it, but it was not too accurate because the ball just keeps moving around, and I mean, there's a difference, but it's not a significant difference. I still go with the K&N. Cleaner air, cleaner for the environment, and I do feel a difference though. I do feel a difference on the AC blowing to me versus before. So I recommend it. All right, till next video.